Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 311. In the diagram, point A, B, and C are vertices of triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. The equation of line AC is 5x minus 6y is equal to 8. The angle of inclination of AB is alpha. This is the angle of inclination. Triangle DCT is drawn such that CD is parallel to AB. CD is parallel to AB. The lines AC and DT intersected as the y-intercept of AC. P, F, and R are the x-intercepts of DC, AC, and AB respectively. So these are the x-intercepts. Calculate the gradient of AB. We want the gradient of AB. Right, we have the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B, so we can find the gradient of AB. The gradient of AB is equal to y at A minus y at B over x at A minus x at B. Or you can say y at B minus y at A over x at B minus x at A. You get the same answer. So the gradient of AB is equal to 2 minus negative 4 over 4 minus 6, or we say negative 4 minus 2 over 6 minus 4. Then you're getting that gradient of AB is equal to negative 3. So this will give you negative 3, even this will give you negative 3. This is the gradient of AB.